you know, there's a weirdo guy there, Daddy. He's up and down because I do the second floor. Oh no, first floor.
How old is Lisa?
How old, Alina?
7.
Very good. Well done, Lisa. Morning mga kachika, maghihiwa lang ako nito kaya ito yung papabaon ko kay Alina. Magpapack lunch daw siya, tapos si Alisa naman ay mag-school dinner. Ayan. Ano man to eh? Maraming ano ba? Alam mo yun yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Subok kung sa Bisaya pa. Yung mukhang matamis to ba? Yung mangga na to. Kainin ko yung sobrang ito. Meron pa naman doon isa. Hinog na din.
Can we just go? Let's go upstairs.
Wanna go downstairs?
Mama.
Yeah.
The trees like this. Ayan, malapit naman matapos yung Ferris wheel. I'm gonna take them the next week. School break. Ang ganda tingnan pag maano yung buhay na ba ulit yung mga mga kachika. Yung mga dahon-dahon ng puno.
Doon pa lang sa hallway pa lang nakaamoy na ako ng, alam niyo yun yung ano ba mga kachika, yung letter M ba na sinisigarilyo nila, naamoy ko na parang doon. Akala ko nga yung isa sa kasamahan ko, yung Asian din, akala ko siya yung naamoy ko kasi pumunta din siya dito. Kasi hindi pala, pagpasok ko dito sa room na to, ito pala yung baho na as in nag-spread talaga yung baho ba. Ito talaga kasi pagpasok ko, yun din yung pumasok sa ano ko. Pagpasok ko palang mga kachika, nakita ko na yung, naamoy ko na ba? Yun agad yung lumanghap sa ilong ko. Pati tayo nito maano ito ba yung lagyan, parang nag-ano na ba? Nakahit-hit na din. Parang legal lang yan na mag-ano sila mga kachika kahit saan ba yung may gaya ng mga park, mayroong na ganun. Yung parang normal lang ba sa kanila ba? Pati ako nito malakas tama sa amoy. Yan. Meron pa ho. Tapos may mga sigarilyo doon. Tapos na ako maglinis mga kachika. Ano na lang ako. 22 rooms yung inano ko. Pero yung 4 ay do not disturb. Kaya naging ano na lang 18. Ngayon nag-ano ako restock ba? Ganito. Yung mga mano-mano kasi yung pagbuhat namin nito ngayon kasi yung left ay sira. Kaya buhat-buhat namin ito galing sa baba papunta dito. Diyan ko pinakabagan pa po. Puno ng hangin.
You got no place anyway. That's still a good thing of it. I have to get a bit up and you can see what you're doing. That's why I always go over it with a drying cloth. Because all it takes any.
Pauwi na kami mga kachika, alas 2. Dapat matapos ako ng 1:30. So, kaso kay isa naming noong may bago ba na pumasok dyan, Mexican. Siguro mga 3 weeks pa lang siya dyan nagtatrabaho. Noong Sunday, namin departure, nag-walk out, hindi tinapos yung...
She walked out?
Yeah.
Well, the Mexican?
The Mexican, sa Sunday. She didn't know what she do as well. She don't know, not for her that kind of job.
Oh.
She walked out, daddy, and then the assistant manager called her. She said, "No, I don't want a job anymore." Asked her to come back to finish your work. I said, "I don't want to do that job
She's
anymore."
not Mexican.
She is, daddy.
I don't believe it.
And she said that she even studying law.
No?
Oh, and she said she's working in main highway, in Mexico.
Highway what?
Like, in a highway.
Doing what?
I don't know what she doing. So now she walked out. That's why she's not here now. She's not working there now. She's supposed to be in today. So that's why they give us more time. And then there's a weirdo guy there, daddy. He's up and down because I do the second floor. Oh no, first floor.
What,
Up and down.
customer?
Oh.
The customer?
Oh. Up and down, up and down. And then he saw me. He already saw me few times because he's up and down the steps. And then the last time he saw me, he said, "Oh, you look nice."
Oh. Yeah? Don't smile, don't do anything.
No, I didn't say anything.
Don't say nothing these people. Were you to tell the manager?
Swear to daddy, no.
Well, maybe not. Maybe he's just desperate. Not desperate, but hunting,
Oh,
Trying his...
you look nice, he said.
Yeah, he's trying. Hitting on people where you stay in the hotel is desperate. It's like hitting on a woman in a bar.
Dito kami sa Aldi mga kachika. Wala kaming lista pero nandito na eh. Kaya nagkuha na lang kami kung ano yung mga naalala namin at kailangan namin. Pero hindi talaga kompleto mga kachika. Pupunta lang si Mr. ng Sainsbury's at saka Home Bargains kasi kailangan namin ng sabon. Wala silang sabon. Hanap na ulit nga tayo dito. Kasi hindi ako nakapunta dito na saan. Nandito lang pala. Ito. Kailangan namin ito. Nandito lang pala eh. Sandali. Kasi wala silang sabon talaga. Fairy. Kailangan din ng Magnum. Wala man silang Fairy. Fairy kasi yung ginagamit namin. Magnum man to. Oh, here. Nandito pala. Fairy. Dalawahan ko na lang. Sabon. Wala sila.
Like nothing happened. Not me. I didn't do it. Huh?
Bate.
No, I don't. No, that one you bought before was horrible. Better than buying newspaper. I remember as a child, used to hang newspaper in the outside toilet.
Huh.
That's how you used to wipe your ass. You used to tore up newspaper and you stick it on a piece of string and pull it piece by piece.
Oh?
Outside toilet, yeah. Those days.
Oh my God.
Horrible. Yeah.
Tay mga kachika, i-arrange ko lang itong ano. Ang sarap oh. Ayan. Lalaki ng strawberries nila sa Aldi. Mukhang masarap pa. So anyway, ayan, bumili kami ng wine. Alam niyo, mura-mura lang ng mga wine na to. Compare sa ibang pinupunta talaga namin doon kasi yung wine mas mura. Tapos yung steak, yung pang roast ba na beef. Ganun, mura lang din doon. Then yung salmon nila, fish. Marami-rami din yung napamili namin. Pinaglalagay ko na nga lang sa fridge mga kachika yung mga dapat ilagay sa fridge. Ito din, kailangan na din naman ito ilagay sa fridge. O sa yung yan ba. Yan, yung mangga nila, mura lang din. Apple. Basahin ko muna itong apple kaya kinakain ko diretso ni Alisa. Lagay ko lang ito ng ibang lagayan. Bango ba? Strawberries, blueberries, hinuhugasan ko to kasi ayan, para malagay ko din siya sa container ba na lalagyan ko dyan. Saging, pumili ng saging, melon, ayan. Mister na pa lang nagsundo sa mga bata, sabi ako na magsundo sa mga bata, magpahinga ka na lang. Kasi napunta kami ng post office. Sabi ko, pag sundo niya sa akin, sabi ko daan tayo ng post office. Tapos yung sa post office kasi, malapit-lapit na lang talaga siya sa ano, papunta ng Aldi. Sabi ko, diretso na lang tayo ng Aldi. Tapos sabi niya, paano yan, wala tayong lista. Sabi ko, wala, mag-ano lang tayo. Ano lang yung mga maalala natin, yun lang yung bibili natin. Tapos nandito lang nga yung lista. So, ginanon ko na siya para alam namin kung alin yung mga dapat naming bilhin. Nagmadali din kasi kami mga kachika dahil nga ano na yung magsusundo nga sa mga bata. So nandoon siya, naglakad siya kasi gusto ng mga bata na may mag-scooter. Actually kanina umaga pa yun, ano talaga sila na mag-scooter. Tapos maglalakad lang kami. Kasi hindi gusto man ni Mr. na ihatid niya kami. Tsaka diretso na lang din ako punta sa work. Bumili din pala ng beer. Ayan. Masarap man yung beer pag mainom kami ng beer pag yung tag-init na ba dito ba? Kasi parang refreshing ba minsan pag gusto mong mag-inom. At least meron kang beer. Kaya pahingi lang ako saglit mga kachika na napagod nga ako sa akyat baba sa namin sa doon ba naghakot kasi walang sira. Ilang araw na sira yung yung left nga sira. Tapos wala pa naman dyan yung aming manager, nag-uwi ng India. Kasi Indian yung namin, yung manager. So, umuwi siya ng India. Tapos wala nga. Di pa naayos. Di ko alam kung hanggang kailan maayos. Maano pa kasi dyan sa work na marami dyan yun lang yung mga edad na talaga. Yung hirap na maglakad, gano'n. Kaya, ayan, maswerte lang yung nasa ground floor. Yung iba na kailangan medyo mahirapan sila akyat-akyat sa sa taas nga. Pero diyan naman mga kachika, if ever na may sa iyo ba, yung may mangharas ba sa iyo ba, meron kaming yung sinusuot namin na something, tapos hihilain mo yun siya mga kachika, parang emergency na yun siya. Pag mahila mo yun siya, it means na nasa emergency ka, kaya pinapasuot yan sa amin palagi, ganun. Na kailangan talaga suot kung saan yung key card, yun yung yan sila, parang isa lang ba na sinusuot namin dito para hindi kaya magtanggal-tanggal na mag-open ka ng mga doors, na mga rooms, ganun. Ayun po, ang sakit pa ng ulo ko. Tinanggal ko na yung tali ko. Kay sakit yung ulo ko sa aking tali na mahigpit masyado. Lipit ko mga ito mga kachika. Parang hindi na nga ako nagugutom. Usually dapat magla-lunch pa ako. Mamaya na yata ako mag-lunch pag nandito na din yung mga bata. Ligpit ko lang mo ta. Huhugasan ko to. Hi!
Wait, I just going really fast. And I go trip over.
Oh no! You hurt your knee?
No.
Did you use your scooter as well now?
Yeah.
Good
I'm
girl.
riding Mama!
Lisa! Oh, Lina! Where are you going?
Well, obviously, where's she going?
Oh, yay, mana.
Windows, Mama.
Si Sasa, ha?
Mama, you need to open that window and this one.
Okay.
You need fresh air in here, though.
Tayo, yay, mana si Saya. Sasu, yay, mana si Sasa. What did you do today?
And then I will play with Hudson.
Oh my goodness. Boys again?
Yeah.
Hudson. Hudson.
Hudson.
Yeah.
Hudson. All right there. River.
Think of feet.
Oh my goodness. 30?
Mama, on
You okay na?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, wash your hands first.
Okay.
Kumakain din ako eh.
Where's my dad? And
Hi, kita grandma.
I did Mama.
Kumakain ako ng paksiw, tsaka kanin.
Okay.
Okay, tara, wash your hands. Ay, nagano na, nakita na naman daw si Chloe.
Louie, I'm coming. Come on.
You see her?
What? Can I say? She's just in the bushes. No.
Uy, my finger. What? I know. Yeah, I seen it. It's clean now. Chloe is hiding dito. Dami talagang trabahoin ko mga katsya. Ikaw, magdadamo ako dito. Tingnan nyo naman yung damo. Tubo na. You okay, Lisa? Lisa, sa? You okay, princess?
Judge, watch. I can do what?
Careful. I cannot see.
Huh?
I cannot see.
That's the jump. Oi! Lisa, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're doing like this. There's a stick on your phone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Let's take it out. They bring her scooter, good job, and we walk up.
Yeah.
And Lola wanted to try my scooter, and I said fine. And
Didn't she try it?
Yeah, and she didn't do like this. She just did like this. By using her balance. Balance. You know, my friend, I got a friend.
How about you? How old are you? What's your 5? Very good, 5.
How old I am?
How about you? How old are you?
How old is Elisa?
How old Alina?
7.
Very good. Well done, Lisa.
I'll do that again.
How old are you?
Nina 7.
Alina 7. And how about Alisa? You're funny. Yeah, and Alisa will be
sick.
6. Yeah.
Mama, today is baby's birthday only. She just only 5.
Who?
Baby.
Baby? Who's baby?
My baby.
Your baby?
My baby is her birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hello, Chloe.
Go.
No, don't do that. You'll scare it.
You
Don't throw
scared
things
her.
down. You'll scare
Okay.
it. No sudden moves. No sounds. Be gentle, huh?
Okay.
Just be gentle.
Chloe.
See?
Chloe.
Yeah.
You go sit down and then she come to you. Sit down.
You sit down. That's right.
Hi, Chloe.
You sit there. She'll come to you. That's right. Mama says. She likes you. Look, see?
You go sit down in the steps. Hello.
You home.
It's my Chloe.
It's my Chloe.
It's mine, Chloe.
That's an idea, isn't it? Stop feeding it. Catnap.
Catnap.
It's my Chloe.
Napping. Catnap. Huh?
It's your Chloe,
Kidnap.
Lisa?
Yeah.
Kidnap. Catnap. Huh? What do you think? Huh?
Chloe.
Kasi tinatawag ng mga bata din doon, mga kachika.
Here's Chloe.
Oh.
Sorry?
Tinatawag ng ibang bata din doon, kapitbahay namin. Kaya sabi ni Alisa, it's my Chloe. So you sit down there. See, look at that. Look. Leave her. Then she will run away if you scared her.
Don't scare her now. Be gentle.
Bye.